What we making? Egg. What's the smell?
It smells like egg. Today I'm making
sushi. Today I'm making Chawanmushi.
What is the ingredients? Can you tell me, please?
Food, carrot, Chawanmushi, and this.
What is that?
It's Naruto.
Okay, and then what else?
In it, and I have this. 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 And I have this, and I have this, everything.
Okay, so slice the carrot.
Yeah.
Other more star or hard?
Star. Let me see.
Mama help ya. Mama help.
Yeah.
Can I see? Wow! Is it nice? Thank you. Is that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I like it.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Arthur, do you like the chicken or the egg more?
I like the egg more.
Why?
Because the egg is nice.
Ya. Tekniknya dia tuh dikoceki dulu terus dibikin bowl. Four.
What we making? Egg. What's the smell?
It smells like egg. What is that?
It's a water.
Mirin. And 1 spoon of this. 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon. What is that, Arthur? The salt and vegetables.
Not good, not too much.
Yeah, not too much. 1 spoon aja, not a heaping spoon.
Kalian sleeping spoon nanti apa?
Too much here.
More too much.
No.
Mama heaping, big heaping.
Yeah.
It's all gone.
Arthur, what do you like to cook?
I cook for Mama.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, enough, Arthur. Enough. I think that's enough mushroom.
Kalau too much nanti apa?
Jadi nggak enak, soalnya too much mushroom. Everything has to be balanced. That's the point of cooking. Sampai full. I'm gonna put this 1. Can you count?
1,
Yeah.
2.
Then we're gonna close it. What do you like to cook for Mama?
Food.
What food?
Scrambled egg.
And?
And pancake. Pancake is small like butter. That is the food.
That's your favorite song.
Yeah.
So you like to make scrambled egg, pancake, and
Sushi. Mama make sushi.
okay. Next time we make sushi. Okay? Not today. Mama tired. Mama pingsan. Okay. Okay. Let's go take a break because we have to wait for it to cook. Okay. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. We're steaming your Chawanmushi. You want to drink Chewy now? Okay. Let's go. Say bye, guys. I'll be back.
Bye guys. I gonna be back. Okay. Bye. You.
You know, running in my beard, you really to see it. 6 feet 2 in a compact. No slack. Luckily the seats go back. I got a knack to relax my mind.
Hey guys, they're back.
So this is almost done.
Yeah.
And then when it's done, it's gonna make a sound like ding gitu. I'm gonna open it.
Wow.
You wanna see?
Wow.
Wow.
Yang pakai baju blue.
That's how you make chawanmushi.
Bye, see you. I want to go home with Mama. I don't want to sleep with Mama. Arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Sayonara.
Hello.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Sarangi.